Angel,
What brought you here?
Baba, I'm not going to lie. Nigeria is becoming too rough. Oh. Even small children are turning into something else. Madam, what I know?
Hey, Sabinus.
What I know? Garide. Ha!
Where did they want this one? Who will be this one?
Garide. How many cups?
Madam, babe, give me 2 cups of this.
She's in a play.
That's my boy.
Madam, why is this boy moving around with a knife now? What is the aim?
He's just playing now.
Ha!
He's just playing. It's not like your younger brother.
He says do what?
He's playing.
So this is classified as play now in Nigeria.
If you don't play with him, he will cry, yo.
Madam, if now this thing will cause cry, let him cry. Because I don't understand the aim of this young boy.
You, they go now, they go.
Sabi, come. I have free jollof rice for you and chicken, eh?
Is it hot?
Very hot. You like it.
Let me feel it. So chilled. Madam, bring spoon, I beg. That was how the whole thing happened. Innocent me. But I give thanks to Almighty God. At least I gave my life to Christ before going to that shop. Hey. If my father's name come out from your mouth again, intestine with full ground.
Body go
no
die you.
teeth will pour.
Which kind of forgiveness be that one?
Before I go to the woman shop now, Nida, I say, God, have mercy upon me. Forgive me all my sins now. That one go carry me enter heaven now.
Check your pocket.
What is now?
I said check your back pocket.
Go get Pierre to retire. No worry, Mbombo for you. I know your matters. You metre kante, no worry.
Oh, Jesus. Damn. Jesus. Hey. Jesus. Is there any way I can just talk to our father, explain myself, I'm sorry?
Go this side.
What's happening there?
Hell.
Now Fufu go come carry me, go and fire to one Fufu.
Can you move?
Oh, with Fufu.
Can you move?
I respect you a lot. Oh. Respect me back and send me this side now.
Move.